In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to clone a project in Base44. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned user, knowing how to duplicate a project can save you time and effort, especially when you're working on a new but similar task. So let's get started without any further ado. Firstly, you need to log into your Base44 account. You might already be familiar with this step, but if not, simply head over to the Base44 website and enter your login credentials to access your dashboard. Once you've logged in successfully, direct your attention to the Projects/Apps page. This is where you'll see a list of all your existing projects, and it's the central hub for managing them. Next, open the specific project you intend to clone. This step might seem self-explanatory, but it's essential for making sure you're working on the correct project, especially if you have multiple projects with similar names. So go ahead and click on the project to open it up. After opening the project, navigate to your dashboard. Here, you'll find a variety of options to manage your project. What you need to look for now is the Settings section. This is typically where Base44 houses options related to project configurations and modifications, while in the Settings area, you should search for an option that says Clone or Duplicate Project. This is the feature you'll use to make an exact copy of your selected project. Sometimes, you might need to scroll through several settings categories to find this option, so don't worry if it takes a moment. Once you find the cloning option, you'll have the opportunity to type a new project name. This part is optional, but recommended for keeping your projects organized. Naming your project appropriately can prevent confusion down the line, especially when managing multiple similar projects. Finally, with everything set, click Create Copy. This will initiate the cloning process. Depending on the size and complexity of your project, this may take a few seconds to complete. Once it's done, your new project will appear in the Projects/Apps list, ready for you to delve into and start working on. And there you have it, a straightforward way to clone a project in Base44. Remember, duplicating projects can be an incredibly useful feature, helping streamline your workflow by allowing you to build on your previous work rather than starting from scratch each time. I hope you found this tutorial helpful, and I encourage you to explore these tools even further to make the most out of your Base44 experience. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.